Hello friends and welcome to Passion Cocoon. Today we are here to make diamond shaped Sooji barfis. For it we need these ingredients. In a pan, pour 2 tablespoonfuls of refined oil and once it is hot, add in 1 small bowl of Sooji. Mix it well and keep mixing it to avoid burning. It should turn into a brownish color. Take 3 cardamom and ground them so as to give it a nice flavor. Now we add the sugar. I have taken sugar-free powder and I've added 4 spoonfuls of sugar-free powder. Once the Sooji turns brown in color, we add in the hot water. Add the raisins and the cardamom. Mix it well again. In a plate, rub some butter. Place the cooked Sooji on the plate and press it so as to make a flattened surface. It should look something like this. Rub some butter on top of the Sooji so as to give a buttery taste and also a shine. Cut the Sooji into diamond shape. Barfis are ready. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends.